In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch the header to full width in Wix. If you're looking to give your website a more expansive and professional look by making the header span the entire width of the page, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this quick and effective guide to transform your site's header into a full width masterpiece. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account and open your website in the Wix website editor. If you're not there yet, take a moment to log in and get your website loaded up. Once you're in the editor having the desired page open, the next step is to locate the header section. Simply click directly on your header. You'll notice that a menu will pop up displaying different options that you can utilize to make changes to your header. Next, from the menu, you need to select Stretch to initiate the process of adjusting the header width. This option is essential as it allows you to manage how the header occupies space on your site. After clicking Stretch, a range of stretching options will appear to give you flexibility in designing your header. In these options, you'll see an option labeled Screen. Click on Screen, as this extends your header to fill the entire screen width, achieving the full width look. With this selection, you'll still have the ability to customize further by adjusting the margins. Scroll through the margin settings to manipulate how much space surrounds your header. This control helps in balancing the header's look with the rest of your page content, making sure everything appears well aligned and aesthetically pleasing. Once you're satisfied with your margin adjustments and your header alignment, click the X button to close the customization menu. This action ensures that all your selections are applied and saved. It's a good habit to frequently save your progress to avoid losing any changes during your design process. Lastly, to see your changes in action, click on Preview. This allows you to view your website as visitors would see it, providing you with a clear depiction of how your header complements the rest of your page layout. In Preview mode, you'll be able to validate that your header now stretches perfectly across the screen, maintaining that full width style you aim to achieve. Remember, experimenting with these settings can enhance your header's impact on your overall design, so feel free to tweak as necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully stretched your Wix header to full width, giving your site a refined and professional touch. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.